The India-made Kia Sonet has scored just 1 star in the latest global NCAP crash test, but don't panic just yet. The model tested was the South African-spec Sonet, which comes with just 2 airbags and lacks several safety features offered on the India-spec version. It scored 1 star for Adult Occupant Protection and 3 stars for Child Occupant Protection. Global NCAP also reported an unstable bodyshell and footwell, while the side pole test wasn't conducted due to the absence of curtain airbags. Here's the important part: the Kia Sonet sold in India is different. It comes with 6 airbags and electronic stability control as standard. So this rating does not apply to the Indian model. What do you think about manufacturers offering different safety standards in different markets? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive updates. This version is ideal for a 45 to 60 second YouTube Shorts video.